Hello viewers, today, we will show you how to generate a customer statement using SQL accounting software. A customer statement is a document that outlines the transactions between a buyer and a seller. It helps track outstanding balances and serves as a reminder for customers to settle their accounts, reducing the risk of disputes. Here is a scenario: you need to generate a customer statement for a customer so they can review their account transactions. Let's begin. First, select the date range for the statement. You can also select the specific customer, agent and area that you want to generate the statement for. Then, select the statement type. The open item statement provides a detailed statement, showing all the outstanding transactions from the beginning until the latest date you applied. The brought forward statement provides a summary statement, including all current date transactions with a balance brought forward from previous months. If you leave it as default, it will follow the statement type set in Maintain Customer. Next, the report format allows you to choose between 6 months and 12 months for preview and printing purposes. After that, click Apply to generate the statement. Once the statement is displayed, click the Preview button to review the transactions and ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, you can print the statement to share with your customer. And that's it, we've successfully generated a customer statement. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.